Hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you fine. Children, in before class we have learned first lesson. We have completed our textbook part and workbook part. What is that lesson is about? Lesson is about grandmother's stories. Yes? Did you all remember? Okay. On Saturday or on Monday, I am going to keep ST in English regarding your literature comprehension. Okay, you have to read well. Already I told you to read. Okay, I'll conduct you ST on literature comprehension on Saturday or Monday. Okay children? Okay, now today I am going to tell you second lesson. Okay, children, before going into the lesson, I want to ask you a question. What's that question is? Do you all like your mother? Do you all like your mothers? Yes. We all like our parents very much. Isn't it? Yes. So, children, have you, did you get any thought of presenting your mother any gift? Any time on her birthday? Did you anytime think of giving any gift? Yes, many times. I think if you like much your mothers, definitely you would have thought to give a present to your mother. Am I right or not? Yeah? Okay. So, what's the gift you wanted to give to your mother? That which you like or which she likes? Say. Generally you like all cakes or anything any compass boxes or any dolls like teddy bears or any other like small kitchen gifts like that, isn't it? But for mothers, we have to present to them what they like. We should know what they like first. Then only we can think of presenting her a gift and making her happy. Okay, children, when your birthdays came, your parents will definitely bring you any gift, isn't it? They will be presenting you any cycle, yes, or any new dresses, yes. So then how you will feel very happy. Oh, thank you, ma. Thank you, dad. You will tell no. I like this gift. You will tell no. So like that only, we should also know about your parents. You should know about your parents' likes and dislikes, and you have to present them what they like. Okay children? So today we are going to learn the story about a child. Okay? She is going to give a gift to her mother on her birthday. Okay? So what is the name of the lesson? A book for my mother. A book for my mother. Children, first all of you open your textbooks. Everybody, lesson number 2. Open page number 6. A book for my mother. Okay? Listen and say aloud. Children, what are rhyming words? You know what are rhyming words? The words end with the same sound. Okay? 2 words end with the same sound. That is rhyming word. Okay? You have to listen and say aloud. Read. R-E-A-D. Read. N-E-E-D. Need. Eat. Ending with E-D. Okay? E-D. Read. Need. Street. Sweet. Day. Way. Smile, style, funny, money, thought, pot. Okay children? Once again read. Read, need. Read, need. Street, sweet. Street, sweet. Day, way. Day, way. Smile, style. Smile, style. Funny, money. Funny, money. Thought, pot. Thought, pot. Okay children? Now, all of you see warm up. Everybody look at warm up. Okay? What do you do for your parents on their birthdays? What will you do on their birthdays? Many of you didn't remember your parents' birthdays only. Okay? Those who remember what they will be doing might be going to restaurants and enjoying. Isn't it? Okay. Those who want to give gifts, they will give gifts. What kind of gifts you will give? What your parents like. Yes? Yes or no? Am I right? Yes. Now, what would you do if you wanted to give something to your parents but did not have money? Did not have any money. What will you do if you don't have money with you but you want to give a gift to your mother? Then what will you do? You have to draw any diagram on any paper, color it, okay, give to your mother, writing any quotation. Okay, you're my best mom, you can write. Or you can write whatever you like in her, you can write on the paper or any cover, nice color paper or anything. And you can give to your mother. Okay? She will be very happy. Okay? So, let us read a poem about a little girl who wants to gift her mother a book. Here we are going to read a story about a child who wanted to give a gift to her mother on her birthday. Okay? See the reading text. Okay? You have to read along with me also. Okay? First, my mother loves to read. My mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother, L-O-V-E-S, loves, T-O-2-R-E-A-D, read. Means what? My mother loves to read. Okay? Mother likes to read. Okay, next. On her shelf, O-N, on, H-E-R, her, S-H-E-L-F, shelf, on her shelf, for every need, F-O-R, for, E-V-E-R-Y, every, N-E-D, need. That means, her mother have books in her shelf. Okay? Of, what are the books? O-F, of, books are of, fairies, F-A-I-R-I-E-S, fairies, ghosts, G-H-O-S-T-S, ghosts, A-N-D, and monsters, M-O-N-S-T-E-R-S, monsters. O-N, on, T-H-E, the, S-T-R-E-E-T, street. Okay? On her shelf is a book for every need of fairies, ghosts and monsters on the street. Faraway tales, F-A-R-A-W-A-Y, faraway tales, T-A-L-E-S, tales. B-O-T-H, both, S-O-U-R, so, A-N-D and S-W-E-E-T, sweet. Okay. What did you understand in this stanza? Okay. Mother likes to read books. What are the books she have with her in her shelf? Are regarding the fairies, ghost stories, fairy stories, monster stories on the street and faraway tales. Tales means nothing, stories only. Okay? Faraway tales and which are both sour and sweet. Okay? Different types of stories of books she have with her in her shelf. Whose shelf? Mother's shelf. Okay? Is that clear? Next one. Today, T-O-D-A-Y, today, I-S is H-E-R, her, B-I-R-T-H, but, D-A-Y, day. Today is her birthday. Okay? I-N-E-D, need, T-O-2, T-H-I-N-K, think, O-F, of, A-W-A-Y, way. Today is her birthday. Okay? I need to think of a way. I need to think of a way to T-O-2, M-A-K-E, make, H-E-R, her, S-M-I-L-E, smile. To make her smile, I have to think something. Okay? To make her happy on her birthday. She's thinking. in my own style, in my very own style. In my own style, I will think and do something about my mom. She should smile today. She should be always happy today. I should make her happy in any way. Okay? That's what the girl is thinking of. Okay? Let me write a book. She got an idea. Yes? L-E-T, let, M-E-M-E, W-R-I-T-E, write, a B-O-O-K, book. Let me write a book. And nice, nice, A-N-D, and funny, F-U-N-N-Y, funny. Funny means jovial. It should be nice. Like if we read means we will get immediately laugh. Like that funny story she want to write in her book. Okay? For W-H-I-C-H, which I, W-O-U-L-D, would, and need, and no, M-O-N-E-Y, money. For which I would need no money. Okay? I want to write a book. Okay? Which will be very funny. And mother will always be happy by reading my book. I'll write a story and she will feel happy. Okay? She will laugh. That's what she thought. Child thought. Okay? So that didn't need any money. Yes? We have to get idea. What that we require is we want only idea. How to write a book. Okay, children? All, A-L-L, all, I, W-O-U-L-D, would, need, N-E-E-D, need, I-S is O-N-E, one. All I would need is one, G-O-O-D, good, T-H-O-U-G-H-T, thought, T-O-2, C-O-O-K, cook, S-O-M-E, some, T-H-I-N-G, thing, I-N, in, T-H-E, the, I-T-E-A, idea, P-O-T, pot. What did you understand here? All I would need is one good thought. One good thought. To cook something in the idea pot. To cook something means getting one idea in idea pot. Okay? That is the lesson. Okay? Once we will read fully. My mother loves to read. On her shelf is a book for every need. Of fairies, ghosts and monsters on the street. Far away tales, both sour and sweet. Today is her birthday. I need to think of a way to make her smile in my very own style. Let me write a book nice and funny, for which I would need no money. All I would need is one good thought to cook something in the idea pot. Okay, children? This is a very good poem. What did you learn in this poem? A child wanted to give a gift to her mother. Okay? Which her mother likes. That is a book. Mother is very fond of reading books. That's why she wanted to write a book which is very nice and funny. And make her mother happy. For that she need no money, only idea. Okay? She want only idea. Understood here? So this is the lesson. Children, we have to learn the meanings. Okay? See, what are the new words here? S-H-E-L-F. What's the shelf? F-A-I-R-I-E-S. Fairies. M-O-N-Mon. S-T-E-R-S. Sters. Monsters. F-A-R-A-W-A-Y. Far away. S-T-Y-I-L. S-T-Y-L-E. Style. F-U-N-N-Y. Funny. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Thought. I-D-E-A. Idea. P-O-T. Pot. Okay, is that clear? Children, turn your page number. Okay, children, all of you open your 9th page. 9th page, meanings. Okay, see. What's the meaning of shelf? What is the meaning of shelf? All of you look at your word meanings. B-O-A-R-D-S, boards. F-I-X-E-D, fixed. T-O, to. T-H-E, the. W-A-L-L, wall. O-N, on. W-H-I-C-H, which. O-N-E, one. C-A-N, can. K-E-E-P, keep. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. Okay. Boards fixed to the wall. Boards fixed to the wall on which one can keep things. Yes. I think you all have shelves in your home. Yes. It's fixed to the wall. There you are keeping your books or your dresses or anything, any items you are keeping in your shelves. Yes. All of you know shelf. What's shelf meaning? Boards fixed to the wall on which one can keep things. Okay. That is the meaning of shelf. Next. Fairies. What's the meaning of fairies, children? All of you know fairies, no? You are all seeing fairy tales in your mobiles. And some stories are coming in movies type in your Disney channels. Yes or no? Yes, fairy stories many are there. Very nice to listen, isn't it? About fairy tales. Okay. What are fairies? Fairies means, read, S-M-A-L-L, small. M-A-G-I-C-A-L, magical. C-R-E-A-T-U-R-E-S, creatures. Small magical creatures with W-I-T-H, with W-I-N-G-S, wings. Okay. Small magical creatures with wings. Okay. Do you know? They will be having wings and carrying one magic stick. Yes. Yeah. That is fairy. Okay. Regarding the fairy stories also, books are there. With whom? With the child's mother. Okay. Fairies means meaning what? Small magical creatures with wings. Okay. Next one what? Monsters. Monsters, all of you like to see monster stories, no? Monster movies. Yes? What are monsters? Monsters means big, B-I-G, big, U-G-L-Y, ugly. Scary, S-C-A-R-Y, scary. C-R-E-A-T-U-R-E-S. What's the meaning of scary? Scary means very frightening. If you see them, you will get frightened. Okay? Like that. Big, ugly. Ugly means not nice. Okay? Big means you know. So big. Okay? Monsters will look so big, ugly. And ugly means not looking good. And scary means frightened. When we see them, we'll get frightened. Okay? Scary creatures. Big, ugly, scary creatures. Then what? Far away. Far away means long ago. Okay? A place that is far away. Long ago there lived a king in so and so palace and so place. We have stories, no? Yes. Far away means a place that is far off. Very far. Okay. So long it's there. Suppose we want to go to Red Fort. We want to go to see Agra Taj Mahal. We want to go to Agra means it's so far away place. Yes. We can't go in 2 hours or 3 hours. Yes. It will take long time to go to Agra and see Taj Mahal. Yes? Yes or no? Okay, like the far away means so long. Okay? So long. A place that is very far away from us. It's very far away from us. A place which is far away from us is far away. Next one is style. You know style, no? Every time you have the style, no? Yes or no? Wearing nice dress. Your hairstyle is nice. It should be nice. You should look very beautiful. That is style. Okay. Funny. Funny means what? That means which makes a smile. When we read something, it should make smile. Okay. If you smile, something which makes us smile is funny. Thought means think, idea. Okay. Idea pot means our brain. Our brain has many ideas. If we want to do something, some or the other idea, it should come in our mind. Yes, that is idea pot. Where so many ideas are there. In our mind it should be there. Yes, that is idea pot. Okay, children. Now we have finished the all words. So now take out your class works and write down lesson number 2, a book for my mother, and then new words. First write date and then you have to write new words. Shelf, fairies, monsters, far away, style, funny, thought, idea pot, neatly, near. Okay, children? Your homework is ninth page meanings are there, no? See here, this one you have to write in your textbook. Where you have to write here. Okay, is it clear? Here you have to write the meanings. By seeing here, you have to write here in your 7th page. Complete the meanings in your textbook. Okay, by seeing 9th page, you have to write it in 7th page. This is your homework. You have to do. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.